Tagal din nating di nakita, ako'y nasasabik na sa'yo. Kumusta ka na? Nalulungkot ka rin ba? Sana ay kapiling kita. Ah, 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 la, la, la. Sumulat ako upang malungan mo.
History of San Miguel. San Miguel was first called Angoy during the Spanish period. In 1805, bandits attacked the convent in the area. People believed that Saint Michael the Archangel protected the town, so it was later named San Miguel. The name became official in 1852 during the Spanish period. San Miguel became a farming town because of its fertile land. Many families work in rice farming, which became an important source of income. Today, San Miguel is still known for farming and rice production. Significant people and local heroes. Founding figure, Don Mariano Arroyo, a prominent local leader who advocated for the various separation from Yagao and helped establish its first local government structures. He helped organize meetings and gain support from the people. Many residents respected him for his leadership. Local hero, Captain Eulogio Gonzalez, who led a group of Katipuneros in San Miguel during the 1896 revolution, organizing the skirmishes against Spanish force and supporting the province's push for independence. He inspired many people to fight for freedom. He is remembered for his bravery and patriotism. Prominent personality, Dr. Felisa Villanueva, a pioneering educator and public health advocate who established the town's first public school and rural health center in 1950s. She believed that education and health were important for the community. Her work helped many families in the town. Geography. San Miguel is a landlocked municipality in the province of Iloilo on the island of Panay. It has a land area about of 31.97 square kilometers and is around 17 kilometers from Iloilo City. The town is bordered by Cabatuan in the north, Santa Barbara and Pavia in east, Alimudian and Leon in the west, and Oton in the south. San Miguel has mostly flat land with some slightly elevated areas. It has average elevation is about 40 meters above the sea level, with elevations ranging from around 14 meters to 145 meters. Culture. The culture of San Miguel, Iloilo is mainly based on farming and close family life. Many people work in rice farming, which is an important part of their daily life and traditions. Most people are Roman Catholic, so religion plays a big role in the community. They celebrate the town fiesta in honor of Saint Michael, the Archangel, with prayers, foods, and gatherings. People also practice bayanihan, where neighbors help each other in times of need. Respect for elders and strong family ties are also important values in town.